Today's heading is earthquakes and plate tectonics. Earthquakes and plate tectonics. So, causes of earthquake. What causes an earthquake? Convection currents cause plate movement. Convection currents cause plate movement. So, we talked about convection currents a while ago. But what a convection current is, just a reminder, warm stuff rising, cold stuff sinking. It could be with ocean water, it could be with the air in the atmosphere, or it could be with the magma under our earth. Okay? So, the core is super hot. As you move out towards the surface, it cools off. Now, it's still really hot, but compared to the core, it's cooler. So what happens is we get this liquid hot rock right here by the core, and when it gets hot, it's going to become less dense and rise. The outside rock here, it's still liquid hot, okay, but it's cooler, is going to become more dense and sink. So we're going to get some mantle here, some liquid hot magma moving underneath the surface. That's what a convection current is. And with that movement, it's going to put stress on the rocks near the surface. So it's going to put stress on the plates at the surface. Imagine if you're at a swimming pool. I don't know if you've ever sat in one of those like blow up chairs where you kind of lay on, you float on the water. Okay, if someone's splashing near you, or underneath you, or jumping into the pool next to you, okay, it's going to move you. It's going to cause your little floaty bed thing to move. Well, that's what's happening at the surface. I would write this down. Faults normally occur at a plate boundaries. So anytime you hear about a fault, it's where two tectonic plates are meeting. Maybe one of the common ones you've heard is the San Andreas Fault right along California. Okay, that's where the Pacific Plate right here and the North American Plate meet. So fault is where two or more plates meet. There are three types of faults, so go ahead and write this down. Three types of faults. The first one, normal faults, I would write all this down, occur at divergent boundaries. So basically, this occurs where two plates are pulling apart. Diverge means to pull apart. So where two plates are pulling apart, this is called a normal fault. A reverse fault is where two plates are pushing together. Usually one pushes over the other one. Convergent boundaries. When you converge on something, you come together. And then there's strike-slip faults. Basically what happens is you have two plates kind of like side-swiping each other. One's moving one way, and the other one is either moving the other way or staying still. And that's a good little animation. This one here is moving that way. This one is staying still. So we had normal, reverse, and strike-slip faults. The San Andreas Fault is a strike-slip fault. One plate is moving while the other one stays where it's at. Those are our notes for today.